Welcome back. The High Court has directed the authority concerned with under-construction jail at Colomorod to file an affidavit stating why construction of the proposed central jail has not yet completed. On a previous occasion, IG Prison had assured the court that 7 blocks of the jail will be functional in February 2014, but it has not been functional so far.
The High Court has taken strong cognizance for non-completion of construction of proposed central jail at Colomorod. The court has directed responsible authority to make a statement regarding progress of construction of Colomorod jail. State government in an affidavit filed before the High Court on 22nd November 2013 had stated that out of 20 blocks, the structural work of 18 blocks is already complete and the work of remaining 2 blocks, namely security check block and administrative block, is in progress. Government had also given undertaking that the entire jail will be made functional by 31st December 2014 and 7 blocks will be put to use by end of February 2014. Present central jail at Aguada is in very poor condition and Goa government has promised to give better infrastructure to the inmates at proposed Colomorod jail. Amicus Curiae informed the court that government is making excuses and delaying the construction of the jail. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Churchill Alemao's meet at Colomorod Margao witnessed chaos after a lady tried to disturb his public meeting. Churchill Alemao feels it is an attempt by his opponents. Ironically, no lady constable was deputed for the meeting. Churchill Alemao says Congress and BJP are afraid of Churchill's victory in Lok Sabha election and such attempts are intentional.
Magta ladies police kola dala yapak. Hello. Babnando.
मागरिस्ता हांगा पोलिसी हातान काकणां घालून आसात मीटिंग डिस्टर्ब करता जाल्यार तुमी तांकां येवन व्हरपाची गरज आसता हांगा कोण ना दिसता इलेक्शन ऑब्जर्वर पोलीस बिलीस कोण ना दिसता कोणे कायदो हातान घेवपा आता
त्या खबर आहा हांव काम करून दिता म्हूण त्या खबर आहा आनी काँग्रेसीकूय खबर आहा हो मोपा एअरपोर्ट बंद करप म्हूण कित्याक काँग्रेसचे जायत्या मनशांक जावं मोविना सारके मनीस थिंगा BJP काम करता मोविना सारक्या मनशाक भावांनी खूब थिंगा जमीन गेलेले आहा काँग्रेसच्या आमदारांनी खूब जमीन गेल्ले आहा BJPच्या आमदारांनी खूब जमीन गेल्ले आहा मोपा एअरपोर्ट बंद आनी दुसरी पॅकेज हे लोकांक हाडपाक आनी चर्चिल आलेमांव कोण दितलो म्हणटा खबर आहा कोण कोणाक डिस्टर्ब करपाक धाडा मिटींग आनी तुमी चयला त्या बाबड्या पुलीस येताले हिंगा तेवूय त्याक भिताय भिवून गेलेले आसतले आतां तेगेले बाळे ते जाल्या ती बाडी कांकणां फुडां आनी कितें सांगता.
And before we end the bulletin, have a look at the jugalbandi of Indian slide guitar, sarangi and tabla. Also watch the percussionist Carlos Gonsalves with his hand on the bands. Enjoy the music. And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.